They're planting the flags at the Old Birchtown School. Daryl Aker enrolled as a student here in 1955 and is now caretaker for the entire Black Loyalist Centre property.
Well, once you got in here, you'd have like your desk that was like that one there. Your teacher's desk would be up there. Your stove was right in the middle with the pipe going along the top. And over there you had like a thing for water. Got paper cups, get your water over there.
The one-room school is reclaiming its place in Canadian history. For centuries, Nova Scotia wouldn't let black children learn at mainstream schools. Birchtown, home of the Black Loyalists, opened a school for black and white learners in 1785. It was likely the first integrated school in the province. This building dates to 1835. Aker was part of its last class.
Went here grade beginners 1, 2, and 3, down to Sandy Point for 4 and 5, and back here for 6. Easter vacation in them days, not March break. We took our books and went to the other school that just opened down here. Last one's here, grade 6.
Aker says black or white didn't make much of a difference to the children.
Like my friend that just died last year said, we was all poor.
The school closed in 1961 and the building fell into disrepair. Executive Director Andrea Davies has roots stretching back 8 generations in Birchtown, but her teachers didn't talk much about Black Loyalist history.
It is an old school, so we felt it important enough that we wanted to recreate that environment for visitors. And through my program and outreach coordinator, he came up with this wonderful display with the banners and with the artifacts that you see here to make it just a little bit more of a conversation piece as well, and have it understood what this building means and the history behind it.
Former students have donated artifacts to the exhibit, which opened earlier this year. Davis wants it to be an active learning centre once again.
So we're on to something here with this being housed as a school, and we would like to hold perhaps the next generation or the current students, give them an opportunity to come in here and sit and have that story told to them.
Davis says it brings her closer to her ancestors, who persevered, often in the face of racist hostility.
I get really emotional over hearing the stories of how the Black Loyalists didn't belong in the churches or in the workplaces or in the schools. So I get, when I walk into the center, I can almost feel, I can feel something that tells me that I have to be able to continue the work that we have to do. So for some reason, I feel like I'm the one that has been burdened to do that, but blessed as well.
Davis says the core lesson is easy to learn.
We were here in 1783 when the British arrived, and we're still here.
John Tatry, CBC News, Birchtown.